Why did I do that? Why did I do that?
What have you done?
Oh my God, this is bad.
What did you do?
I told my boss he could have a party at my place on my deck.
On your deck?
Yeah. I don't have a deck.
But you don't have a...
I don't have a deck.
So you don't have a party?
I don't have a party.
Wow.
What am I gonna do?
I don't think you can make this work. I have no solutions for you, except maybe quit before he fires you. Look, you're never gonna be able to lay a cement foundation that you need for any deck by this weekend. That stuff takes weeks.
I need a deck.
I'm really cut up about this for you.
How am I supposed to get a deck for a bunch of Japanese businessmen by this weekend? Ugh.
Good question. Using Goliath helical piles as a foundation, you can start building your deck on the same day the piles are installed.
Really?
There's no need to wait for concrete curing time. You can build upon our system immediately.
What if they start dancing?
Certainly, we can factor in another 50% of capacity to compensate for dancing businessmen.
There's gonna be dancing businessmen?
There's gonna be dancing businessmen.
Sounds like a great party.
Yeah, well, you're not invited.